Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Brina. In this video, we will practice writing an absence note for our child or for a student. Let's get started. Here we have an example of an absence note. Let's read it together. March 5th, 2003. Dear Miss Fisher, my daughter, Clara Hernandez, was absent on Tuesday, March 3rd and Wednesday, March 4th. She had a fever and a stomach ache. She is better now. Sincerely, Francisco Hernandez, 444-1212. In our example of an absence note, we have the name of the teacher. Number one, the name of the teacher. So, dear Miss Fisher, the person you are writing to. If you do not know the name of the teacher, or your student or child has many teachers, you can write to whom it may concern. To whom it may concern. So you can write, Dear Miss Fisher, or to whom it may concern. And so this is our greeting. You also need to make sure to have the date. March 5th, 2003. So the date is the date of today. The date you are writing the letter goes at the top. So March 5th, 2003, Francisco Hernandez wrote an absence note for his daughter, Clara. So we know that we have the name of the teacher or to whom it may concern. Next, we have the date for today. And third is the child's full name and your relationship to the child. So for example, my daughter, Clara Hernandez. Full name, first and last, Clara Hernandez. And it has the relationship. So for example, my daughter, or my son, your relationship to the person you are writing the note about. So my daughter, full name, Clara Hernandez. Number 4 is the date of absence. So number 2 is the date you are writing the note. Number 4 is the date of the absence. What days did Clara Hernandez not attend school? Tuesday, March 3rd and Wednesday, March 4th. Date of absence. Number 5, reason for absence. She had a fever and a stomach ache. Is a fever and a stomach ache an excused absence or an unexcused absence? She had a fever and a stomach ache, which means on Tuesday, March 3rd and Wednesday, March 4th, Clara Hernandez was sick. So this should be an excused absence. The reason is because she had a fever and a stomach ache, or because she was sick. The last thing you will add is your full name and your telephone number. So this is the full name of the person writing the note and the telephone number. So sincerely, Francisco Hernandez, 444-1212. So this is an example of an absence note. let's practice writing one together. So here we see that we have our spaces. Number 1, for our greeting to the teacher or to the school with to whom it may concern. Number 2, we have the date that we are writing the absence note. Number 3, we have the relationship and full name of the person we are writing about. So our relationship to the person and the person's first and last name. Number 4, we say the dates that the child was absent. What days did the child not attend school? Number 5, we tell the reason. Why did the child not attend school? And number 6, we put our name or the name of the person writing the absence note and a phone number or a contact number. So let's practice. So we can say, Dear Mrs. Khan. And we check the date and we see that it is Monday. And we'll say June 8, 2020. So we have Monday, June 8th, 2020. Dear Mrs. Khan, the name of our teacher, or to whom it may concern. We'll say my, and we'll put relationship. So are we talking about a son, a daughter, a niece, a nephew? So for this example, we'll say my daughter, full name, Lisa, we'll say Lisa Williams, was absent or did not attend school on, let's say, Friday, June 5th, 2020. So we see was absent on Friday, June 5th, 2020. And then we will say the reason why. Why was Lisa Williams absent from school on June 5th, 2020? And we will say she had a doctor appointment. A doctor appointment. So we have the date that we're writing the letter. We have the teacher or to whom it may concern. General thing you can say or write to the school, to whom it may concern. And then we will say my daughter, relationship, Lisa Williams, first and last name, was absent on Friday, June 5th, 2020. The date that Lisa did not attend school, she had a doctor's appointment. A doctor appointment. And so this is our reason. And then we say sincerely, our name, Tasha Williams, and a phone number. Remember our parentheses, 502-123-3332. So here we have a practice absence note. And so know that you can change. You could even say, my son. And you can say, Brian Williams. So maybe my son, Brian Williams, was absent on Friday, June 5th, 2020. And we say that he had, and we need a reason. What's another example of an excused absence? An excused absence. Why did Brian not attend school on Friday, June 5th, 2020? We can say he had a funeral. A funeral. We could also say he had a wedding ceremony for his sister. So maybe Brian did not attend school because he had a wedding ceremony for his sister. Brian went to see his sister get married. So here again, number 5, you come up with a reason why your child is absent. In this video, we learned how to write an absent note for a child or a student. After watching this video, please take the time to click on the link in the description box and take the evaluation survey. Thank you. Bye.